Hello everyone, it's me Huma. I'm fine and I hope you all will be fine too. Friends, in my previous video, I told you the easy way to speak English. So my dear friends, in my previous video, I taught you how do we use I have to in our sentences. Today, I'll teach you I had to with verb and want to explain the difference between two so that you can use it well. So friends, let's start today's lesson. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I mean to say, we use I have to in our present, but when we talk about our past, we use I had to plus verb. Let's go to the board and practice well. Today we have to combine verb with I had to. आज हम I had to के साथ verb को जोड़ेंगे. हमने अपनी पिछली वीडियो में आई हैव टू को यानी मौजूदा ज़माने में यानी प्रेजेंट में उसका इस्तेमाल किया और तब करते हैं हम जब हमने कोई काम नहीं किया हो करना हो तब हम आई हैव टू का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. आई हैड टू का इस्तेमाल हम अपने माजी के लिए यानी गुजरे वक्त में इस्तेमाल करते हैं यानी काम करने के बाद हमने कोई काम कर लिया हो तो उसके बाद हम आई हैड टू का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. I think now you understand well what I want to explain to you. So let's start our first sentence. Our first sentence is I had to go. यानी मुझे जाना पड़ा. I had to eat. मुझे खाना पड़ा. I had to pay. I had to call. I had to talk. I had to rest. I had to ask. I had to fix it. I had to help. I had to visit. I had to reply. I had to explore. I had to prepare. I had to improve. I had to arrange. I had to organize. I had to meet you. I had to remember. I had to complete. I had to start. I had to plan. I had to give. I had to pack. आप देख रहे हैं कि मैं I had to के साथ फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज कर रही हूँ. I had to stop. I had to work. I had to cook. जब हम had लगाते हैं तो फिर उसके बाद हम फर्स्ट फॉर्म लगाते हैं, फिर हम सेकंड या थर्ड फॉर्म का इस्तेमाल नहीं करते. I had to cook. I had to think. I had to read. I had to clean. I had to finish. I had to solve it. I had to learn. I had to drive. I had to check. I had to teach. I had to find. I had to sleep. I had to watch. I had to speak. I had to take it. तो दोस्तों, आज आपने उन कामों की इंग्लिश सीखी जो हमने किए या करने पड़े. तो आपको आज की वीडियो कैसी लगी? अगर अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर कर दें. अब इजाज़त चाहती हूँ. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.